Hi class, welcome to week 3 of Productions and Operations Management. This week we're going to look at 2 chapters. We're going to skip over chapter 4 for the moment and look at chapter 5, and then we're going to skip several chapters and look at chapter 11. With respect to the content in chapter 5, we're going to be looking largely at capacity, and we're going to be using decision trees to help us manage capacity and navigate some different capacity decisions. And we'll employ what we learn about decision trees in a Connect assignment. In chapter 11, we're going to look at processes, specifically look at 3 different type of processes, ones that are viewed and used quite a bit in the production sector. And those are the serial flow process, the parallel process, which you see in restaurants, and logistics processes. You're going to have 2 assignments, and one will be more mathematical in nature because when you're viewing the PowerPoint and you're reading the text, you'll realize that we use Little's Law and some other mathematical equations to calculate some process performance measures. So there will be a Connect assignment that hinges on the mathematical side of processes. And then there will be a discussion board about processes in fast food restaurants. That'll be a little bit more lighthearted, and I think that you'll enjoy the discussion that emerges from that. I have put in the course lounge a couple of extra resources that you may want to consult when you go to respond to the questions about fast food processes. Lastly, you'll want to study for the midterm exam that will take place during week 4. In week 4, you will take that midterm exam at the end of the week. So you'll have to submit it between Friday, July 27th and Sunday, July 29th. It's completed exclusively in Connect, and all of the concepts that will be covered on it are listed in detail in the midterm examination review sheet, which is present in the week 3 learning session folder, but it's also always been accessible to you on the left-hand toolbar. I'm somebody who really needs to study ahead and keep a thorough outline of what aspects are most important. So given that, I'm sure there are many of you that are like me, and you're all busy. So I feel like you need to have access to that. So that's why it, along with the final exam review sheet, is always accessible on that left toolbar. I think that's about it for this week. So all in all, there are the 3 deliverables, 2 Connect assignments, 1 discussion board post, and I almost forgot, your initial individual responses to the IKEA wiki are due. So you need to get into your group wiki and respond to the question that you have selected to respond to for your group. So those initial responses are due at the end of this week. And then by the end of next week, you should have all given feedback and you will submit that final case study. But that is it. So you have 2 Connect assignments, a discussion board post, and your initial individual IKEA responses to the question you selected. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to send me an email. Thanks.